day, sir. For today's video po is i-discuss ko po sa inyo ang full system na napanood ko in the video. So, the sequence and how it works po, basically. So, based on what I watch and understand po sa video na inyong pinrovide, so the system operation po is complex but interesting sequence. So, what I have understand po sa sequence goes like this. So, may hinihanda po ako dito ng text. Zoom in ko lang po para makita natin. So, ito po yung pinaka-guide ko po. So, what I have understand po sa sequence is, bali po, una po is, I named the cylinders used na lang po in letters para madali po for comparison. So, first po is the cylinder A, extending and pushing the metal object. And then, when it reaches the position po, cylinder B will be triggered and then will stomp by a circular shape downward. After that po is both cylinder po will retract, and at the same time, cylinder J, which is the actuator that has a small rectangular metal po na naka-installed sa shaft, will extend and push the metal object papunta ng entry ng ating conveyor. So once it reaches the position cylinder, once it reaches po the position, cylinder C naman po will extend and retract to get the para po siyang metal cap po ng circular hole. And once it get it, and then after that, cylinder D po will extend to get it into the position of the metal object, and then cylinder C po will extend again po to put the cap in the object. And at the same time is cylinder J will retract na po. So once na nailagay na po natin si cap, para is mag-retract po na po sabay ng cylinder C and saka ng cylinder C. So after that po is comes po ng ating cylinder na magpupush naman po sa metal object sa ating conveyor, which is I named naman po as cylinder E. So it will extend to push the object and retract po immediately. Then conveyor will now drive the metal object papunta po sa susunod namang position. So in the video po, they use a stopper po by means of a cylinder pa rin. Once na na-sense na po ng ating sensor ang position ng ating metal object sa conveyor is mag-extend po si cylinder H. So I name cylinder H po to block the metal object from moving forward. So after that po ay cylinder F will now pick up the bolt screw by extending po and then putting it in the hole of the metal object by retracting. Once it's done po, a few time delay lang po, and then the cylinder F will perform another extender retract to get the bolt outside naman po the object. So kinuha niya lang po ulit. So based po sa video. So after that sequence, ang susunod na po is movement po ng conveyor, but this time naman is in reverse naman po. So babalik na po si object from where it is kanina. So once na nag-stop na po si conveyor, it will be sensed by the sensor attached sa ating cylinder G. So si cylinder G naman po ang magtataas ng ating object papunta sa entry ng conveyor. So yun po yung purpose niya. And once na nasa taas na po ang ating object is mag-undergo po ulit siya ng tulad ng sequence kanina. So si cylinder J po will extend. Then after that, cylinder D and cylinder C po will extend also to get the metal cap para naman po kuhanin yung metal cap na doon sa object. And then cylinder J and then cylinder C will retract po after that, and so the cylinder D. So after po that is meron po tayong another extension and retraction from the cylinder C para naman po i-place po yung ating nakuhang metal cap. Then once it's done po is once that part po is finished na is again is ipupush siya ng cylinder E, yung object natin ipupush ng cylinder E by extending, and then retracts once the metal by extending and retract, and once the metal object is now in the conveyor belt, so yun po, under lang si conveyor because kasama si object. And lastly, as the object reaches po the destination, cylinder I po, which is the parang curve arm po sa video, will get or grab again the object by extending and move it into the basket container by simply retracting. So basically that is what I observe po and understand po sa full sequence na parinasan sa video. So to better illustrate the sequence po I created a simple electropneumatic circuit diagram, which is ito po. So bali makikita nyo dito yung ating circuit diagram. Mahaba-haba din po ito. Zoom out ko. Wala, hindi ma-zoom out, pero ito po yun. Then this is the cylinder. So bali po dito ay pinakita ko lang po the presence of course. Kailangan ko natin ipakita yung presence of course ng mga push button natin. So we have here the start, the stop, and the emergency stop. So para po yung safety of course. And also I have used 10 cylinders po named A to J in creating the full sequence. So 10 cylinders po to bale. So yun po, let's begin na by pushing the start button. So, medyo mabilis nga lang po ang mismong sequence if simulated. So, start na po natin. So, let's start the simulation muna. But before that, let us first run it. Para gumana yung ating, syempre, yung gumana yung ating ginawa. So, run natin siya. By clicking this. Oh my God, di ko maklik guys. Wait lang. Yan. Sorry po sa interruption. So, start na natin. Okay, as you can see, nag-extend si cylinder A. And while extending, mag-extend naman yung cylinder B natin. Then after that, nag-extend na nga si cylinder B. Then, once na nag-retract na sila parehas, at the same time na mag-extend naman sa ating cylinder J, just para dun sa pagtulak ng ating object. Then once na nag-extend, kita naman cylinder C na mag-extend din para naman kuhanin yung ating metal cap. Then after that, okay, nag-extend si cylinder D natin para ilagay naman doon sa position ng ating metal cap, sa position saan ng ating metal object rather, and then put it by cylinder C and cylinder C plus and C minus. Kaya nag-retract na sa ating J. Sabay sila, okay? Then sabay nga pala sila dito. Then after that, cylinder natin para iangat yung ating mahiwagang metal object sa ating conveyor. Then once na naiangat na, wait lang tayo ng ilang segundo kasi nadaan na yung ating object sa ating conveyor. Then after that, makikita natin dito guys na nag-extend cylinder F and cylinder H. So bakit cylinder H? Pangharang ng ating metal object and cylinder F para naman pangkuha ng ating bolt. So then nilagay na sa ating object. Then once na kinuha natin yung ating object, yung bolt sa ating object, then wait agad na tayo para sa pat-under ng ating metal object in reverse naman. Then after that, nakita natin guys na nag-extend nakita natin sir na nag-extend po si cylinder G para itaas yung ating metal object. Then once it is done, makita natin na si J and saka si cylinder D and si cylinder C ay nag-undergo na same sequence. Gusto ng sabi ko kanina. Then after that, makita natin na cylinder C gumalaw uli. Bakit kaya? Ito naman yung nakuha niyang metal cap na ibinalik niya na ngayon sa kanyang current position. So, extend and retract. Then after that, cylinder E, inangat ulit yung ating metal object papunta dun sa mismo conveyor. Then after that, nagana na yung na-under na yung ating object papunta sa conveyor. Then after that, ilang segundo, bam, na-extend na po yung ating cylinder I, which is kinuha niya na yung metal object. Then after that, it retracts para naman ilagay sa metal basket composer. So that's it po for the sequence. If we want to stop it or emergency stop, so kung stop natin guys is para mawala ng hangin yung ating cylinder and at the same time mag-tigil yung ating sequence, and if we press stop, okay, it will automatically stop the sequence of course. So that's it po sa ating may quiz 2. Ito yung ating, again, pakita ko sa inyo yung aking naging program. Medyo mahaba-haba din yan, hindi ko na pinutol. So, yun po. Thank you so much. Hope you understand it, sir. Thank you.